To take a screenshot, press volume button and power button simultaneously. Okay, so you can now do a lot of things with this screenshot, friends. You just need to be aware. You can crop it to a particular space or magnify. Let me show you something. What are the options available here? So you need to tap on the pencil icon there, and after that you will see a lot of tools available here. Like I have selected a pencil. You can select a particular color, thickness, other things. Whatever you draw in a rough manner, it will create a relatable structure. Like here I am trying to draw a rectangle. It will draw a particular rectangle shape or a circle. You can see here I have drawn a circle. I have also drawn a triangle. So friends, you can do other things, like you can add a text here of whichever size, whichever color you want. You can add your signature too. Here it is, the text menu. You can either bold it, italics, underline, strike through. You can change the size, you can change the color, whatever you want. You can also add your signature. Drag it to the maximum or minimum, whatever you need, whatever size you need. You can also increase the thickness, the color. You can also add a magnification icon. You can also magnify a particular icon, like I have magnified this Instagram icon. So you can do a lot of things. Friends, you can also use a virtual scale to draw a particular straight line in whichever portion you want. Here it is. You can draw a straight line using this feature. Erase the portions you don't want to keep on screen, and after that you can save it to photos or share it with someone. Thanks for watching, guys.